Hey everyone, this is the 36-inch Blackstone, and you have to get one. These things are amazing. You can do so many things on them. They make cooking so much fun. This is actually another accessory that you can get too. It's the Blackstone cover for the 36-inch. It fits on so nicely and it keeps your cast iron very, very clean. As well as underneath this, you even have a silicone cover. This is by BST Tech. It fits on so nicely. I highly recommend getting one of these, especially if you don't want any rust on your cast iron. This is just an extra layer of protection. And look at that, it flips off so nicely. Obviously this needs a little bit of cleaning up because we use it all the time. But back here is where you push all your grease. And you definitely need one of these tin cups for there, so it makes cleanup 10 times easier. But if you guys are looking at any kind of griddle, I highly recommend Blackstone. They do such a great job, and I love the fact that there are 4 burners on here. That way you can have a hot side and a cool side. I highly recommend the 36-inch. It gives you enough space and a lot more temperature control across your whole entire griddle, especially if you're cooking a whole breakfast or a dinner for your family. Yeah, I love this. This is in use every other day, and I highly recommend them. Hey guys, this is the BST Tech silicone cover for a 36-inch Blackstone, and this fits on here like a glove. It fits so nicely. It's an extra layer of protection to protect your cast iron griddle, and I highly recommend it. It's super nice. This cover fits over it perfectly, and this cover is even available as well for a 36-inch. And watch this fit on just like a glove. I'm doing this one-handed, so. And just look how much nicer this all is. It looks so nice. You got a complete setup. I highly recommend this Blackstone topper as well. It's just an extra layer of protection, and it's just such a clean setup that Blackstone does.